and then resource optimization, adaptation speed, then perfect for SMEs looking to automate operations, launch digital products, or transform customer experiences with. If you're a business owner or any content creator, then you know how important it is for you to stand out on social platforms, especially on LinkedIn. But to be honest, writing posts that sounds like you, grab attention, and keep your audience engaged, it's like a full-time job. What if there is an AI tool that could brainstorm, draft, and create LinkedIn content that sounds just like you without taking your entire day? Welcome to day 212 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. LinkedIn now has 1.1 billion members with over 2 million posts, articles, and videos being posted every single day. That means the competition is fierce. But that also means if you have the right content, you have a large audience who can engage. That's why today I am showcasing Redact AI, an AI tool that is meant for LinkedIn content creators, which helps you break through the noise, save time, and makes the content feel 100% authentic. Let's dive in and see what's the magic. To begin, head over to redactai.io, and on the landing page you can see create perfect LinkedIn posts with AI. Now let's see how true this statement is. And to begin, I am heading over to login, or you can also start for free from here. I will log in via Google. I'll use my account, click on continue, and even if you don't have an account, it will automatically sign you up while you are logging in using Google. As you can see, it says, good to have you, Rit7. That's our Google account here. I am Redact AI, your personal AI assistant for LinkedIn. I will help you find post ideas and craft perfect posts that get you more clients and help you grow your business. Let's see. Let's get started. It says, I just need to know how you found me. Then we will talk about you, I promise. Okay, let's say I found it via LinkedIn post. Let's get to know each other. In order to personalize your experience, I need your LinkedIn profile URL. So I'm getting my LinkedIn URL here. Okay, that is linkedin.com/in/ritstocks. If you're not following me on LinkedIn, please do follow. I will keep sharing such insightful things. Okay, so let's go. I am analyzing your LinkedIn profile. Please be patient. It may take up to 60 seconds. Okay, so it started analyzing my LinkedIn profile and then extracting professional information. Then it analyzes my content, identifying key topics and expertise, creating personalized summary, finalizing your summary. Okay, there you go. So we've got a summary. Hey, I'm Ritesh Hegde, founder, builder, and your trusted and slightly geeky tech co-pilot. Okay, my roots are in engineering, graduated in electrical and electronics from Canberra Engineering College, then picked up a PG diploma in embedded systems from CDAC, but honestly, my real education has been in the wild, bootstrapping startups, working across Germany and India, and hustling alongside small business owners, students, makers, and dreamers. I'm obsessed with, okay, it has given me a lot of details to be added in summary. Let me have a look at it and see if that makes sense. Now, let's click on next. And what products or services do you sell on LinkedIn? It gives me what is that I can add in the products or services that I'm selling. I'm building Bizmate.io, a powerful no-code automation platform designed for fast-moving, service-based SMEs who want to operate 10x faster without heavy IT costs, complex dev hires, or expensive consulting. With Bizmate, you can. And then ABCDE, it has given the details, right? And I click on next. Now, it has given us certain themes that we can select for us to be posting on LinkedIn, right? So it gives us 10 big themes. Okay, automate the boring stuff, why SMEs deserve 10x tools, my take on why small and mid-sized businesses are underserved by big slow tech, right? Behind the scenes, building in public, transparent, tool deep dives, and then skills for future, stories from clients to the community, how real businesses use automation to save money, boost productivity, or punch above their weight. What I learned the hard way, right? Ethical tech versus social impact, and then founder mindset and leadership for builders, reflections, habits, and road trip stories on leadership, resilience, teamwork, and embracing uncertainty as an entrepreneur. Why buy from me? Okay, some detail about it. We can also add custom topics from here. Now I'm going to select, let's say, this one, this one, this one, maybe this one, and let's say this one, right? Click on continue. Honestly speaking, I truly want to write something which I've experienced. Okay, maybe this tool can give me the path, but I want to add my own stories, right? So it says I'm generating content ideas for you. Please be patient. It may take up to 60 seconds. Okay, so we've got it. Let's create your first post. Okay, Ritesh Hegde, I just found these post ideas for you, right? X versus Y, no-code builders versus traditional developers, who creates more impact in SMEs. Then we have listicles, 5 no-code AI tools I actually use every day and 1 I regret wasting time on. X versus Y again, right? I can click on show more ideas, then it will give me present versus future, contrarian, and then contrarian. I can select whatever I feel good. Bismate versus Zapier, not really a true comparison. Bismate is very different and Zapier is, the use case for both of these are very different. Anyways, let's try this out. Good choice. Now let's fill in the details. No code builders versus traditional developers, who creates more impact in SMEs. Okay, we could also use voice note here. Okay, we can change the language. A lot of them are there, but I'll go with English. Generate my post. So it's given us option to choose the style now, right? I can choose my own style or I can choose from some of the other creators. I'll go with my own style. The hook is the first thing your audience will see and is the most important part of your post, and that's true. Now it has given us a lot of topics to select from. No code builders versus traditional devs, the SME showdown. Then we have traditional coding is dead. This AI reveals the truth. Build business apps without a single line of code, right? And so many more. So this is in our own styling. Okay, that's in my own style as of now. And then they have given from Redact AI, a lot of them. Okay, let's go with the first one which we selected. Okay, and let me click that. It is now generating the posts for us. This is a 4-step process. Firstly, downloading your LinkedIn profile, and then it'll analyze my profile, and then it'll redact our posts, and finally the final steps, which is generating the content. No code builders versus traditional developers, who creates more impact in SMEs. Okay, that's what it is for all the three. Now the content might change, right? In today's AI challenge deep dive, I am exploring a question that's reshaping how small businesses approach digital transformation. Let's break down the real impact of both paths. You won't be surprised by what actually drives result. Traditional development route, okay, some good things, some not so good things. No code approach, some good things, not so good things. But here's the game-changing reality for SMEs. Speed to market, which is really true. The faster you are to the market, the better it is, right? And then resource optimization, adaptation speed, then perfect for SMEs looking to automate operations, launch digital products, or transform customer experiences without breaking the bank. Watch my detailed comparison. Link. Try Bismate.io, built specifically for service-based SMEs. it's slightly different. Now this is where we have to come into picture and ensure that what we are posting is not entirely what the AI gives, but it should also make sense, right? So don't blindly go with whatever AI has given. Ensure that the post makes sense, because it should truly sound like you are speaking and not some random post that you are posting. And never post randomly just because AI has given you something, because most often the probability of something not making sense or something not relatable to you is very high. So just read the post, ensure that everything is making sense. If not, make the required changes and then post. Tools like this is not meant for you to just generate and post it blindly. It is meant for you to truly write what you are, but with minimal efforts. Now these are automatically saved. You can upvote it, downvote it, love it, you can copy it, or you can also edit it from here, and you can also schedule the post from here, right? You can publish now. Okay, fail to publish to LinkedIn. Please try again. Maybe because I've not connected my LinkedIn, maybe because I should be in the paid plan, not sure. I've not explored that part, sorry about it. Okay, and of course, whatever is the reason, once that is solved, you can also schedule it for later. Finally, let's click on this finish tutorial and access the app, right? And you can see that $0 for 7 days. Okay, that is, we have to start free trial. Maybe we'll have to give the credit card here, right? Creators, okay, which again is $35.90 per month, okay, excluding tax, it says. Maybe for Indians we don't have to pay tax. Do we have INR? No, it's just USD and EUR. Monthly, this is $59.90, $49.90 per month in the essential plan. So this is the pricing plan. As we can see, we have essentials, creator, and enterprise. The essential is $29.90. Creator is $35.90. Okay, and this is if you are making annual. If you go the monthly plan, then this is $49.90 and this is $59.90. Just check out which one makes more sense and then buy it. I would think that this would make more sense, because just for $10 more you are getting unlimited posts, and this is 8 posts for $49.90. Not really making sense. Anyways, you decide which one makes more sense. If you have something better, please put it in the comments below. But do give it a try and share it with your content creator friend who is struggling to create contents for LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.